Crushing and screening, and we have a grab on it and a hammer, but it's just the right size for what we do. My name's David Fuller and I work for Fuller Grab and Tipper Hire. We do crushing and screening in this yard, and the lorries do muck away and concrete and hardcore. Well, it's laid out nice, the seat's comfortable, it's nice and quiet in there. It looks very good, it works well, looks nice and strong. Yeah, the hydraulics are nice, the levers are nice, digs well. Yeah, it's very good, very good. Well, they're easy to perform, yeah, checking the oil and everything, and greasing it up and that, yeah. Well, it's a good size and it's nice and quick. And it drives nice and comfortable, so it's a good machine.